Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start a Nissan Sentra. First, ensure both vehicles are turned off and in park or neutral with their parking brakes engaged. Gather your jumper cables and any safety gear like gloves or eye protection. Always check that the dead battery shows no signs of damage or leakage before proceeding, as this could be dangerous. Safety is paramount when working with car batteries. Now let's connect the jumper cables. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, take one black clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the good battery. Ensure all connections are firm and not touching any other metal parts. For the final connection, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block or chassis of the dead Nissan Sentra, away from the battery. This creates a safe ground. Once connected, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive a sufficient charge before you try to start it. Once the dead car starts, keep both engines running for a few minutes. Then, it's time to disconnect the cables in reverse order. First, remove the black clamp from the dead car's metal surface. Next, disconnect the black clamp from the good battery's negative terminal. Finally, remove the red clamp from the good battery, followed by the red clamp from the now-started Nissan Sentra's battery. Drive your Sentra for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.